Greetings everyone. I am Harsh Kumar, a pre-final year computer science engineering student at Galgotias University. Today I am excited to share my idea for Swift Student Challenge 2025. My project EcoVenture is based on the topic of pollution awareness. EcoVenture is an educational game designed to make learning about pollution and conversation both fun and impactful. It features two exciting game modes. First one is river cleanup. In this, navigate a boat while collecting waste and keeping the water clean. Second one is forest adventure. Catch falling items on a flying carpet, sorting eco-friendly and harmful objects. With 50 levels, increasing challenge, interactive gameplay, including score tracking, power ups, and moving obstacles, and a reward system. EcoVenture keeps player engaged, player earn coin for in-game achievements, daily streak, and real-world eco-friendly actions, such as logging in activities and uploading proof of sustainability efforts. The game beautiful animations, interactive elements, and progress tracking enhance the learning experience. More than just a game, EcoVenture inspired real life environmental action. Play, learn, and help the save planet. Now we are going to see our code for this game. This is our entire code for this game. In this game, so this is our code for this game. Now I'm going to show our app interface. So this is the first interface of our game. In this game we have 50 levels. Now we are going to play first level. In this, the aeroplane release the waste from the top and the bottom. Now this is the second level of our game, and in the third level we have the other game called for forest adventure. So this is our game. On the basis of game, the interface of the app is also changeable. In this, here we can add images for work done by nature today. By submitting image we can earn coin from the here, and we can earn coin from also have a streak of 7 days. On click on the calendar previous day or next day, we can see which activity recorded here. So there is no activity recorded yesterday because we don't add any image here. With the help of these coins in our game, we can unlock the level. So this is my game. Thank you.